Hi guys, I'm going to show you the reason why your Nokia 2.4 is not charging. If you have just realized that the port is good, it's tight, but it's not charging. Well, the phone is quite easy to take apart. Once you take the SIM tray out, you pop the back off, you take the phone apart, right? So guys, this is the charging port, but I tested the port and there was an IC which supports up to 12 volts, right? That was getting hot. So I realized that with this, the IC normally goes here, but with this board, after trying to remove the IC, there's some capacitors here that got removed as well. So guys, with your original board, there's an IC here that you have to remove, right? Guys, what I realized with the aftermarket board, there is not any power IC here. You can see the capacitors that I refer to. They are there. You can see that they are there, right? So once you remove the power IC, you should be good. But it was a mistake when I was removing the IC. I actually used too much power, so I removed these components and they are very hard to put back on. So once you can remove your power IC, you should be good. This board will actually still work, but because of the capacitors that are not present, I decided not to reuse that board. So you have a choice. You can buy a new board or you can remove the IC from the board. So guys, once that IC is not working, the phone will not charge. It is blocking the phone from charging. And if you find that it is actually heating up, then you know why the board is heating up. The heat, it would definitely be coming from the IC, which is right here. So this phone wasn't charged in about a month and some. It should be charging, guys. So we're going to hook up the charger to this. So if you notice your phone is not charging and it is being heated up, that is actually the reason why you're having that problem. So guys, as you can see, the phone lights up and this will definitely be at 0% because the phone was actually down for some time. So it will definitely take a long time for this to charge. That is the culprit that is going bad. So you need to remove this and also do so without removing these other components. And you should be good. Like, yeah, but it's very hard to remove, just letting you guys know. So guys, I do hope that this was helpful. If you're actually wondering why your phone is not charging, that's definitely why. So the phone actually lights up there, and as you can see, it says 1%. So as I conclude this video, I want to show you guys the IC in which I'm talking about. This is the IC that will make your phone stop charging. And it will create a lot of heat, guys. And what I notice is that with the aftermarket charging port dock, right, PC board, they are not including the IC in it. They are bypassing this IC because it's causing a lot of trouble. So what you guys can actually do is just remove it. Once you can do so successfully without damaging any other components on the board. Like with this board, there are two small capacitors by the side and those came off. So that's why I decided to just change the whole thing. It will actually work, but for future protection of the phone, I decided to change the entire board. So I hope that this was helpful. Do like, share and subscribe.